Welcome to WizzKidz TV. Let's see if these items are going to sink or float. Let's see if this elephant is going to float or sink. The elephant is floating. Let's see if the hippo will sink or float. He is also floating. Let's see if the starfish will sink or float. The starfish sunk to the bottom. Let's see if the egg will sink or float. The egg sunk to the bottom. Do you reckon the Rubik's Cube will sink or float? I think it's going to sink. Let's find out. It's floating. Do you think the car will float or sink? Let's find out. It sunk to the bottom. Let's try Stegosaurus. I wonder if he's going to sink or float. He's floating. Let's try the cow. I think it's going to sink. Do you think it's going to sink or float? The cow is floating. Let's try the pink monkey. It's floating. Let's try the dinosaur bones. Sink or float? Sink. It sunk to the bottom. Let's try the lion now. Float. The lion is floating. Let's try the seahorse. Sink or float? Sink. He sunk to the bottom. Let's try the turtle. I wonder if it will sink or float. Float. Do you think these bones are going to sink or float? Let's try Stegosaurus's bones. Sink or float? Sink. Thanks so much for playing Sink and Float. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.